Well, I came to show solidarity with my brother, the governor of Adamawa State, when we heard of all the things going on with the election here. We thought, well, it's best, for me to come here personally, deliver a message of hope to him that he shouldn't worry at all. We know that INEC has enough people of conscience to do what is right for Adamawa State and by extension for our democracy in Nigeria. And I also wish to encourage the people of Adamawa State. They've spoken and they spoke very loud. And they should be rest assured that the whole world is watching, and they should just be calm. Things will be resolved, and what their decision will be respected by the authorities.
How would you describe the purported illegal declaration of APC candidate by the REC, Adamawa?
It is unimaginable, and it's a shame, really, that somebody of that caliber will, do something like that. But again, we have stories to tell, and we, with time as we evolve, the process of getting people who will do certain things for us will be a little more rigorous, and people like the current REC will have no place in our future democratic process.